Hello XYO network holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So in this video I'm talking about the price update of XYO network, and I'm also talking about the protection of XYO network. So let's start the video, guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about XYO network. The right now price of XYO network in the market is about 0.041185 USD dollar. That is the right now price of XYO network. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes occur in the XYO network, so now the last one hour changes occur in the XYO network is completely going complicated. Very bad changes occur in the XYO network. And the latest time, I'm just talking about from yesterday, very badly the price of XYO network decreased, guys. But in the last 7 days, changes is positive 109%. 109% positive changes occur in the XYO network. That's why, guys, I'm feeling very happy, very happy about XYO network. Let me show you the price chart of XYO network. You can see here unbelievable jumps occur in the XYO network. Positive 89.53% positive changes occur in the XYO network in the last 7 days, guys. You can see from last 3 days, you can see the price gradually going dumps, going decrease, guys. So alert. Don't decide to sell, just hold it. Don't forget to subscribe channel. Anyways, guys, what do you think? What is your price prediction? What is your price update about XYO network? Also share in the comment box, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.